to our latest vlog. We're here at Butlers Chocolate Factory and we're waiting for our tour to start, as you can see, and we have kids in our group, so we'll see how that goes.
Hey guys, how you doing? Hey guys, there we go. Hey folks, there we go. Thank you guys. Thanks. You guys a balcony tour of our factory. You see all the machines here that do the magic, of course. At the very end, we have a demonstration room. This is where you get to decorate your very own chocolate elephant, eat some more chocolate, and take it home with you. Yeah.
Cocoa pods grow from the trunk and thicker branches of the cocoa tree. Each pod containing 30 to 40 cocoa beans. The beans are left to ferment on the ground for several days, a process critical to the aroma and flavour of the bean. Dried in the sun, the shells are removed and these cocoa nibs are then roasted before crushing to produce cocoa mass and cocoa butter. Today, there are numerous Butlers Chocolate Cafes. We've changed a bit over the years, from Butlers Irish to Butlers Chocolates, but Butlers remains instantly recognisable. Its white with ribboned embossed box, opening to reveal the most irresistible chocolates, the ultimate pleasure. We can be grateful to the Mayans, the Aztecs, the Spaniards, and the clever people who developed the chocolate we know today. Butlers Chocolates. It's very simple, really. We've captured happiness and put it in a box.
Welcome to the museum section of the Butlers Chocolate Tour. You can see the ship here. Look, I believe this represents the ships that brought the cocoa beans from the New World to Europe during the Age of Exploration. And this seems to be an old copy of a recipe for chocolate biscuit macarons. There you go. You get free chocolates. Enjoy the tour. It's so nice. Now we just finished the video tour of Butlers Factory. Now in the museum section of the tour. This was the first Butlers Chocolate Cafe on Wicklow Street, which we would walk by every day. Me and Vanessa.
You can see here that Stephen's height is equivalent to 18 cocoa pods stacked on top of each other.
I'm actually not sure. We're still we're still in the museum part of the chocolate tour.
Unfortunately, this part of the tour, we weren't allowed to take any videos or pictures inside the factory as it's top secret. So we'll see you at the demonstration area.
I'm going to place my moulding tray underneath my chocolate right now. There we go. Then what I'm going to do again, guys, let it all drip down. So what this is doing, guys, as it's dripping down, all that chocolate is passing through and fit into all the space of the tray. Now, I've got too much chocolate on the tray. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to place in this part of the tray, I'm going to shake off all that chocolate. There we go. Now guys, so walking out, top of my scraper, again just get rid of all that chocolate that I'm not using. Side stuff, there we go. Now guys, you can see what the shell would look like now. Here we go. Get it all in there, there we go. Yeah, you don't want to know. I'm just kidding guys, there we go. Amazing. Hey guys, there we go.
Thank you.
Amazing.
There you go. Fresh Butlers chocolate. Yay! Now we're off to decorate our chocolate elephants. This is my favorite part of the tour so far. So we get to decorate our elephants with white chocolate. Look how fresh that is. Now I wonder what designs we're gonna be doing on the elephants. I'm still not sure. But here we go. Here we go. Time to wrap up our newly decorated chocolate elephant. Let's see Vanessa's one. Oh, there's his SB. Steven. And then there's mine. Almost the same decoration with a love heart. We're very proud of our decorations. Now I'm gonna wrap them in the nice Butlers plastic bag with a purple ribbon. We only have 5 minutes left, unfortunately, in the tour. But we had fun. We had fun. Oh no!
Oh my god, guys!
Yeah, after.
You'll be sick. I care.
Here's my one. Let's try how they told us to do. Hey. White chocolate.
Okay, everyone, time for our ladies and gentlemen, just for the last time, guys. So, it looks like we're all wrapped up and ready to go. Just a few things before we head off. The first thing I want to say, guys, is a huge thank you for coming on the tour today. You were great.
got the cookie hot chocolate. So nice. So nice. Very sweet.
And we got freebie.
Well, thanks again, guys, for joining us on this great sweet tour of Butlers Chocolate Factory. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as we did. Look at all the treats we
We'll be
got.
munching on these.
Yes,
later
yes.
on.
Absolutely. Well, see you guys in the next video. Yes.
Drop your favorite chocolate down below
Yes.
in the comments.
Definitely. Definitely. See you guys.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.